My name is Angel Mary Binoy.
And I'm Maria Lipson
from B2C, and we are going to host today's morning assembly. Prayer means the purification of one's soul. It takes away the negative thoughts from our mind. Let us start our day by offering prayer to the Supreme Almighty.
show your love and respect for our nation. So I request Gladys Tommy of B2C to please come forward and lead us with a pledge.
Straighten your arm for pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In the well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Thought inspire and motivate our minds. I would like to invite Elba Maria Baiju to share with thought of the day.
A warm and pleasant good morning, everyone. This is Elba Maria Baiju of Class B2C bringing you today's thought. The more that you read, the more things you know. The more that you learn, the more places you go. Reading has many benefits, and there are many reasons why you should develop a reading habit. Besides helping you acquire knowledge, reading keeps your mind active and engaged, which help reduce stress and expand your vocabulary. Overall, reading is a great way to develop and grow higher level. So read more, grow wiser. Thank you.
Updating ourselves with the current happening is a good habit. It helps us to stay updated and increase our knowledge. I would like to invite Ami Rajesh to enlighten us with the current happening around us.
I am Ami Rajesh from Class B2C bringing today's news headlines. Angola landslide. Arjun's lorry body recovered from Godavari River on day 72. Ukraine urges world leaders not to seek an out from Russia's war. PM Narendra Modi meets chess players, hails India's historic double gold triumph. National Anti-Doping Agency issues notice to Vinesh for whereabout failure, seeks explanation.
School is always proud of her students who achieve excellence. Elba Maria Baiju of B2C participated in the Student Excellence competition organized by KCSL Eparchy of Kodamangalam, and she won the Student Excellence Award of 2024. I request Elba Maria Baiju to come up to the stage, and I request our principal to give away the certificate and the memento.
Good morning, dear friends. ഒരു കലാലയം സൗഹൃദത്തിന്റെയും സന്തോഷത്തിന്റെയും സ്വപ്നങ്ങളുടെയും വിളഭൂമിയായിരിക്കും. നമ്മുടെ സ്വാതന്ത്ര്യം മറ്റൊരാളുടെ പീഡത്തെ ഹനിക്കുന്നതോ നഷ്ടപ്പെടുന്നതോ ആകാൻ പാടില്ല. അതാണ് സ്വാതന്ത്ര്യത്തിന്റെ യഥാർത്ഥ അർത്ഥം.
That was indeed motivating and inspiring. There is indeed no shortcut to success. We will surely remember your words. Now it is time for us to sing our national anthem. I would like to invite class choir for national anthem.
Jana Gana Mana Adhinayak Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Punjab Sindhu Gujarat Maratha Dravida Utkala Bhinga Vindhya Himachal Yamuna Ganga Ujjala Jaladi Taringa.
It is made that something else is about to begin. With this thought, I will finish the morning assembly. Now you may go back to your respective classes and have a wonderful day. Assembly dispersed.